Good afternoon, student. This is Professor Meenakshi Pancha from Electronics and Telecommunication Department, Parvatibai, Gyanba, Moji College of Engineering, Waguli, Pune. So, in today's lecture, we will discuss about addressing mode of 8051 microcontroller. So, in today's lecture, we will see about what is the addressing mode and what are the types of addressing modes of 8051 microcontroller, and so when the microcontroller executes an instruction, it performs specific function on the data. The data is stored at some source location. This data must be moved or copied to the destination location. The way by which these address locations are specified are called addressing modes. So, what is the addressing mode? The CPU can access the data in various ways. The data could be in register, or it may be in memory, or it may be provided by the immediate value by the programmer. Hence, the various way of accessing the data. The way of accessing the data are called addressing mode. There are many addressing mode. Probably 5 addressing mode is very important. So those are direct addressing mode, indirect addressing mode, register addressing mode, and register specific addressing mode, and immediate addressing mode. And also another addressing mode which is called as external addressing mode. Itself there are two types, code access and data access. So how it is performed and how the address is specified at a particular addressing mode, let's see one by one. First see what is the direct addressing mode. In this addressing mode, operand is specified by an 8-bit address field in the instruction. One can access all the 128 byte of internal RAM and the special function registers directly using the single byte address that is assigned to each RAM location and each special function registers. So what it means that the entire 128 byte of RAM can be accessed by using these direct addressing mode. The RAM location from 00H to 7FH can be more often used. So in this addressing mode, the data in the RAM memory location whose address known as direct addressing mode. Here the direct address of the memory is specified in this type of addressing mode. So let's see some example how we can address. Let's see few example of direct addressing mode. Move A, comma, R1. Sorry, 40H. This is nothing but the address of 40H of the memory is moving into accumulator A. So, what is the data present in the address at particular memory location 40H? That data will be moving into the accumulator A. Let's see another example. Move R0, 14H. Here, the contents of the memory location present at 40H, those are moving into register or not. So, this is the few examples of direct addressing mode. So, what is the indirect addressing mode? In this type of addressing mode, the instruction specifies a register which contains address of an operand. The register holds the actual address that will be used in the data move operation. This address may be a 8-bit or it may be a 16-bit address. The R0 and R1 of each register bank can be used as an index or pointer register. R0 and R1 point to be content in the RAM. The at sign indicates the register act as a pointer to the memory. In this type of addressing mode, what will happen here? The address of the memory location where the data is present, that address is mentioned here, register R1. Remember one thing, here at the register 1, the address is mentioned where the data is stored. So, using this address, the data will be accessed or moving into the register accumulator A. So, let's see what is the register addressing mode. Register addressing mode involves us of register to hold the data to be manipulated. The register A, DPTR, R0 to R7 may be used as a source as well as destination. Here we move the data in between the register to accumulator. Let's see the example. Move A, R5. Here the data is present, the register R5 is moving into the register accumulator register A. This second instruction, here the source operand is accumulator and destination operand is register 2. So the data present in the accumulator is moving into the destination register R2. So such type of instructions are called register addressing modes. So let's see first immediate addressing mode. What is the immediate addressing mode. In this method, simplest method to get the data. The addressing mode source operand is a constant rather than a variable. As the data source is a part of the instruction, it is a immediate available. The hash sign indicates that the data followed is immediate operand. So this means the source operand is constant here, and the immediate data must be proceeded by using a hash sign. The addressing mode can be used to load the information into any register, including the data pointer register. In the 8051 microcontroller, let's see few examples. Move A, hash 30H. Here the data 30H is moving or loading into the accumulator register. The data is specified by using hash symbol. Remember, this hash symbol indicates that this is a data, not the address of memory location. This is a immediate data. That data we are loading into the accumulator register A. Let's see another one example. Move R7, hash 1FH. This is the data indicating by hash symbol. Remember this one. 1FH data is loading into the register R7. So these are the few examples of immediate addressing modes. This is the immediate addressing mode. Here the immediate data is loading into the registers. The register may be included data pointer also. One thing we should remember, in register addressing mode, we have to give a register address from R0 to R7 only, because the memory location, in the memory location, there are a few banks. Bank 0, bank 1, bank 2. So these banks contain only 8 register, and those are 8-bit register. The address of particular bank or particular register present in the memory starting from 0 to 7. Hence we are giving the name from R0 to R7 only, not any register having specified name by R8, R9, R10. No. The name of register should be in between R0 to R7 only. See here, move R6, R5.